Maibataya.
Uy, si Boss.
Maibataya. Ako ang secret ngayon. Nakabawala kami sa kanila. Kasi maybe that's cheating. Maybe that's not. But I think I should not cheat because 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I come. Now we're gonna play hide and seek. Well, if I found one of them, I'm gonna kill them. But if they find me, they're not gonna kill me. Because I'm gonna kill them first. Now I have a friend. Walang tao. Hindi pa magkawak niyo. Tingnan natin.
Kumain ka na.
Yes!
Oh yeah!
May ulam is chicken.
Tingnan natin. Dito.
Bye!
Hoy, isa na lang, si Kuya!
Oh.
Ayan o, may mga naglalaro.
Yes, wag kami ni Ransel. Tara po.
Hey, now we're gonna cheat. And I think it's one of them. Wala. Andito ba siya? Wala. Ha?
Bigla daw kayong tumakbo kasi daw bigla akong naano.